Home Remedies presents. Apply this oil one time in a week and see the magical hair growth. Hi guys, good day to all my viewers. Hope you all are in good health. I'm Rabia and in today's video, I will share with you a natural recipe using curry leaves that promises to control hair fall completely and enhance hair growth to its maximum. So I recommend to watch the video till the end to get full information, and without any more wait, let's start. Did you know that curry is extremely useful and beneficial for your hair? It is rich in a lot of crucial and favorable nutrients, which can provide excellent effects in restoring the strength of the hair follicles. Curry leaves for hair are said to be effective in the treatment of hair loss problem. This remedy is very effective to grow hair faster, grow long hair, thicker hair, healthy hair, and stop hair fall completely. To prepare this oil, you will need curry leaves, 10 to 15 leaves, fresh or dried. If taken fresh, dry them in sunlight for 2 days. Black cumin seeds, 1 tablespoon. Fenugreek seeds, 1 tablespoon. Coconut oil, 100 ml. Castor oil, 50 ml. How to prepare this magical oil? Take the 3 ingredients and grind till get a fine powder. Now take a pan and add coconut oil and turn on the heat on low flame. Add the castor oil to it. Once melted, add the ground powder that we have prepared. Heat it on low flame for 1 minute. Turn off the heat and let it cool. Filter this oil with a cheesecloth and store it in a clean glass bottle. How to use it? Apply this oil on your scalp and massage gently for 5 minutes. Wrap your hair in a loose bun and leave it overnight. Shampoo your hair next day and see how your hair grows. You should use it once a week. If you liked the video and found it informative and helpful, click the like button and subscribe to my channel for new videos daily. Don't forget to press the bell icon to be notified whenever I publish a new video. Share on your social networks to help others benefit from it too. Thank you for watching. Goodbye.